Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a couple years ago. My today's subject, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Fine Edges. Well, I'm gonna use these images to make something different image from these. Well, this is one of my studio, lucky background, and I like really straight top. That's why we have this shadow here. And also I have direct LED light from left side from her, this direct LED light. So one main light, then from top mainly to lighting. Well, let's get started. Now I'm gonna make duplicate layer. Just turn this base image off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this image. I actually use a Fresco, Adobe Fresco, to make some kind of watercolor type image like the other time. But this time I'm gonna use Procreate, make something different expression, illustration. I don't know how it's gonna turn. Well, I'm gonna smudge this base image first. I'm gonna use that evolve. I really like this evolve smudging tool. Let's go from her hand and costume, make it like something, some kind of painting or something. It's a pretty dark area. I don't know if you can see this. Takes some texture, brush texture. Just touch moving, huh? Well, nice direct straight top light, isn't it? That's why it's so shiny light. I may add some shiny color on this hair. That's nice. You see this background shadow that's come from direct light to her face. I'm using a direct LED light, which I changed halogen bulb. Okay, go for background, some candle stand. We have some detail, chair, picture frames. Well, this light area, that's interesting, so I'm gonna smudge this background and also this shadow shape. By the way, she is a good model. One of the best model agency. She's from Office Rhythm model agency in Okinawa. Oh well. Okay. Now I'm gonna make it expand this background. Well, choose a rectangle and copy paste. Expand this freedom to go outside. Now just expand this. Then I'm gonna march down. Now this one again, rectangle. Just select the place, go the way around here, copy paste. So we're gonna have this image on top of the base image. Now select this, then now uniform freedom to move outside, so expand the background, then march down. Now we have 3000 4000 pixels now. And this one, now we're gonna work on these two images. Let me see, I'm gonna change this blend mode overlay. Now you see the background detail, it's lighten up. We can use this to lighten up overlay this expression. I love that. Well, this is 50%. Yeah, about 50%, that's fine to show this background detail more. Okay, let's make mask. Now, overall, okay, exposure wise, I'm going to use brush, software brush, hide this face. Maybe I can, you see here, surround basement. Yeah. Okay, now just touch. Now I'm going to add layer on top. Then I'm going to add some highlight of the hair. That's pretty nice. So I'll go with medium airbrush. Small. This is just painted, right? Then I'm going to change this blend mode to color. Now it shows more. A little bit orange. Gold rich from top light. Emphasize some highlight. And I found the interesting brush, which is show you this luminance light pen. Interesting expression, isn't it? Changing something different feeling. Oh, not much, too much. Just a orangeish brush. Even the orange doesn't show orange, huh? Well, try and error. Try and error to get something good result. Shows kind of greenish, huh? Well, okay. That's interesting. Alright. Now, what do we get? Well, I think kind of this is the hair. You see some effect. Then this is a mask on. This is on. lighten up its mask, lighten up shadow area and her face touch. No, that's cool. Well, I'm gonna make outside clean up, just touch more. Let's see, add frame. Let's make frame on outside. How about Stone Bay? Never used before. I'm just curious. I just like this kind of texture. Try new things every time, so gonna have fun. What I like about this is you never can do same thing twice. So that's what I want. Try everything. Every time something new. That's really like it. Like a, sort of Polaroid film. That's an analog age, a long time ago. This kind of texture we had when you review the film on Polaroid. Some people knows. Yeah, I kind of like this. Well, okay, I guess that's it for today. Pretty quick, huh? But sometimes okay. That's a nice idea. This is a frame I just made. I like this. This is it for today, and I thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for your support. Well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.